Okay, this is lesson number 2. Let's talk about minor chords. A minor chord. So a minor chord is that same principle of the 1 and the 3 and the 5. So like we have a major chord, C, E, G. That's the major chord, that's a C chord. But if I want to play a C minor, I can take that third and I'm going to lower it 1/2 a step. Sorry, my piano's out of tune, it's old. So that's a minor chord. So there's a full step. A normal major chord is full step, C to D, D to E, E to F would be just a half step from that 3 to 4, and then the 4 to 5 is a full step, which just means that there's a note in between. So C chord. Now if I take that third note, whatever that third note is, in this case on the C chord, it's an E. If I flat that or lower it 1/2 step, that's a minor chord. Okay, so in the key of C, we looked at the major chords of C, F, G. So you're just skipping every other note, 1, 3, and the 5. And then, but also in that key of C, you're gonna find an A minor. So if I go to the A minor, that would normally be an A chord. So a normal A chord would be a full step between the A and the B, a full step between the B and the C sharp, and then a half, just not making any noise, and then a half step between the C sharp and the D, and a full step between the D and the E. So a normal A chord, I would play the A, C sharp, and E. But if I take a minor of that, the A minor, which means I just take my third note and I flat it or bring it down 1/2 step, that's an A minor chord. Okay, so minor chord, the difference between a major chord and a minor chord is you take the third and you flat it 1/2 step, or you bring it down 1/2 step. And so the major chord, the chords that we're going to find in the key of C are going to be traditionally a C, which I play like this. Instead of playing the 5, the G note up here, I'm going to invert it and just play that note down here. Why do I do that? It's just because it's easier to switch. So a C chord, C, E, G. I'm gonna leave the E and the C, and I'm gonna play the G down here. It's the same note, I'm just bringing it down. So that's a C chord, G chord. That's a major chord in the key of C. The 1, 3, 5. And then the A minor, which is the 1 flat 3, 5. And then F. Those are the major chords, or those are the most common chords that you're going to find in the key of C. Okay?